Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would film for you my what I got for Christmas. We're still in the first week in January, so I'm just just inside probably an acceptable date to upload this. So I am a bit poorly just now, as you can hear. I've got a bad, I don't know if it's this lurgy that's going around, so if I do sniff, cough or splutter, I'm really sorry. So yeah, so this is just something, just if you're interested in this type of video, I thought I'd just share with you what I got. As everyone kind of says, I love watching these, you know, and I really do enjoy watching other people's. And yeah, it's not sort of saying, oh, look what I've got. I'm just sharing with you for those that are interested. This is what I got. I did really well this year. I'm so happy. So some things have gone already. I had chocolates and sweeties, most of those have gone, and lots of like Prosecco, bottles of Fizz, so, and they've gone too, so with the family, because obviously then people around over Christmas and New Year, so I've shared it across everybody. So yeah, I'll start showing you what I've got. It's from lots of different people. So I've got a Yankee Candle. So this is a new fragrance, and it's a mulberry and fig delight. So I think this is like a medium size jar. It smells really nice. I've not lit it yet, so a lot of the stuff I've been trying to wait to do this video before I start using it. So yeah, so I got that. That was from my brother. And then he got me a bottle of Prosecco as well. Just pop that there. From my sister. We tend to just get each other like little token presents because we buy all the kids things. So, but this is really pretty. So another Yankee Candle, and it is a reed diffuser. And I've not seen these, but I don't often go in the shop. But I just thought it was really, really pretty with the little butterflies on the front. Clean Cotton is the fragrance. So I'll pop that there for the now. And did we get... Oh, my husband got some gin off her. I was just trying to think. I'm sure we got some alcohol from her as well. I got a few things from my mum. Some of the ones was this. It's Obsession Perfume. I used to wear this all the time. And I've not had it for years and years. I think Ryan was probably quite little last time I had it. So I've been wearing it again, and I've been really enjoying it. And it's one of those, as soon as I sprayed it, it kind of took me back 20 years when I used to wear it all the time. So yeah, I was really pleased to get that. It's a nice fragrance. It's quite heavy, but I don't mind that sort of scent. My mum also got me a lip advent calendar from Revolution. Which she picked up as a little stocking filler for me. So if you want to see me open this, unbox it, just let me know. I appreciate that you've probably seen loads of them by now already, but I haven't opened it yet. So if it's something you want to see, I can fly around, because I think they're still in the sales and things, and a lot of super drugs and online. So if you want to see it, give me a shout and I'll try and film that in the next week. If you're not bothered, I'll just open it up. Next thing, as part of a Secret Santa at work, I got a bottle of Prosecco, and then I also got these bath bombs, which is a really nice little set, I think, and this is from Bayliss and Harding. So obviously I don't know who bought me these, but I thought they're really, really pretty. So Prosecco Fizz fragrance, so definitely the fizz theme is running strongly with me this year. Next thing, from my son's girlfriend, and this is a Sea Spray hair mist. I haven't tried anything like this at all, so apparently it's meant to quite volumize your hair and things. It just says here it leaves you fresh, uplifted and perfumed, salty spritz that gives body volume and hold. So I shall give that a go one time. It's from Lush. From my son, part of his present to me, so it was from Benefit. So I think his girlfriend was strongly influencing him here with this, and it sort of comes in like this, and it is a Precisely My Brow pencil, and it's in the shade 2, and apparently they'd shown the lady on the counter lots of photos of me to try and get my shade. So I'm really interested to try this, because all the Benefit products I've had in beauty boxes and things have been shade 3, and I've always felt they were slightly dark for me. So I'm really excited to try this one. And full size. I don't think I've ever had a full size Benefit product before. So yeah, that was good. And I never usually get makeup either, so which is surprising, because considering how addicted I am. So I was really happy to get that. I got this to myself because I just wanted it, and again I'll probably do an unboxing if you want. And it is I got it from Beauty Bay, and it is a 12-piece eyeshadow brush set, and it just, I'll just show you quickly. It comes in this little pouch, and it's got the brushes inside. So if you'd like to sort of see a video on that, let me know, but I'm planning on trying to just do a separate unboxing of that. I'd also picked up off the sale just some more brushes as well. These are just off Birchbox. They had a day when there was free postage, and I had loads of £5 vouchers to use, so I just used them on each of the brushes as an individual order. So they cost me nothing, and the postage was free. So yeah, these are Spectrum, which are quite nice brushes, and it looks like a nice fluffy brush. I got 2 of those, and then I got this other one, which is a Spectrum brush as well, which looks a bit more of a beveled edge. So I'll maybe review all those brushes together in another video. Anyway, back to what I got. So I got this off my mum and dad as well, and oh, I'm really excited. Full size. I've got 2 Molten Brown bath and shower gel. So it's Inspiring Wild Indigo and Intoxicating Divana Blossom. I've only ever had the small sizes of the Molten Brown in my beauty boxes, so I'm so happy to have these. So now I've shown you, I can get them open and use them, so I can't wait. Yeah, they're always beautiful. And the little ones have lasted me ages in the past, so I'm going to be having these forever. I can't wait to use them. So yeah, fabulous present. Also from my mum and dad, I got this, which is 1881 perfume. Never had it before, so it might be like probably a nice one just to use for work. It's a really big bottle. What does it smell like? Can't smell much just now. Where are we? It's quite floral, quite strong to begin with, but then I think it'll probably die down. But yeah, it'd be a nice daytime perfume just to wear to work and things, I think. So I'll probably do. My mum also got me some chocolates, some mint crisp dark chocolates. Now, Ryan, my son, got me these slippers as well. So these are bedroom athletic slippers, and they are absolutely lovely. They're good because they've got like the rubberized sole on them. But oh my god, they're so fluffy that first time I've worn them, took my feet out, and I looked like a hobbit. I had really like blue furry feet. All the fur was like the spare bits of fluff was stuck on my feet, and there was like fluff all over the carpet. So yeah, that's them, but they're so lovely. They're really cozy. Also off Glen, I got this. Oh, I never wear a watch. Well, I wear my Apple Watch, but I haven't got a proper watch, and oh, it's absolutely beautiful. Let me get it out. So this is it here. So it's a Swarovski crystal watch. It's got a white leather strap, and I wore this on New Year's Eve, and it's just, I don't know if you can see that, it's really pretty watch, and it's such a nice size watch face. I think he did so well getting this, and it's absolutely beautiful. I really love it. So I'll just wear that when I go out and things. I think it's too nice to wear every day, but it's definitely going out. I love a bit of sparkle and a bit of bling, so really happy. He really spoiled me this year, did Glenn. He also got me this handbag, which is so it's Carvella, which is by Kurt Geiger. It's a beautiful khaki coloured bag. You've got like this shorter straps here just to carry it like that, and then it's got a long shoulder strap which is detachable, so you can remove that off. So yeah, in a really nice sort of chunky zip. And I like this because I've got a few bags which don't shut, like zip shut, they just sort of press stud. And my husband's always worried that I'm going to have my phone nicked or my purse stolen out of my bag, because it's like basically like an open bag. So it's a really nice size bag. As you can see, I'm using it already. So yeah, I was absolutely delighted. So I'd opened that, put it away, and then that was all the presents done. And my husband's like, oh, is there anything inside your bag? So I don't think so. So I'll have a look, have a look. And I'd opened the bag up, and there was an envelope inside. And I opened it up, and there was this. Oh my goodness. So I was like really excited, because obviously it says it's from Ticketmaster. And so I thought, oh, let's have a look and see what it is. I'm just going to be careful because I don't want to give you the reference number. However, he's got me 2 tickets to see, where are we? Robbie Williams in Hyde Park for the British Summertime event next July, and it's on the 14th of July, which is the day after our anniversary, so we can have a weekend away for our anniversary. And he'd got a priority entry, so we could get an hour earlier to get in, to get a good position and everything, because obviously it's going to be absolutely heaving. So I was so excited and happy. And the first time my brother to wish him happy Christmas, and his wife was really giddy, and she's like, oh, if Glenn doesn't want to go, then I'll come with you. And I was like, great, yeah, that's brilliant. So anyway, my brother and his wife and my sister and their family and everything came over on the 30th of December. And in the meantime, my brother's wife had her birthday. Her birthday's on Boxing Day. Are you following me? And she says, oh, guess what? She's like, Mike, that's my brother, has bought me as well tickets to Robbie Williams. And like my husband and my brother had no idea they'd both bought tickets. So we're all really excited, thinking, yes, we can have a lovely weekend away together. And then she says, oh yeah, I've got Gold Circle tickets. Well, that threw a spanner in the works, because I didn't have Gold Circle tickets. So bless my poor husband, is absolutely amazing. He rang up Ticketmaster to see if he could upgrade our tickets to Gold Circle, and they said no, but they could put a thing in, like, to start a case to get a refund to upgrade. But we'd have to get a refund on our original tickets, and then hope there were still Golden Circle tickets available. And it could take 3 days, I think 72 hours. So I was just really worried that we'd lose them. So bless him, he has gone and bought 2 Gold Circle tickets as well. So we now have 4 tickets. And then we just put in a refund claim on the other 2 tickets, hoping that they'll give us our money back because we bought other tickets. And the woman on the phone was really, really lovely. But yeah, I'm going to see Robbie Williams on the 14th of July, Hyde Park, but in the Gold Circle. And even more special is that I'm getting to go with my brother and his wife. So like Glenn and my brother can moan together how much they hate Robbie Williams, and me and my sister-in-law can just scream like mental ladies, just because we think he's amazing. And I think I've seen him about 5 times already. So I'm so excited. So yeah, there we go. I've rambled a lot. But I think that's what I got for Christmas. I'm pretty sure that's it. I might have missed something, but I just think I've done really well. We've only got a little small family, and it was just lovely. Like, my son always comes home for Christmas, and I always have my mum and dad for Christmas Day as well. So it's been a really, really special year. As I say, if you want me to do an unboxing of the lip calendar, let me know, and I'm probably going to do a first impressions video on my brushes, so let me know about those. If you've done an unboxing, if you've done a video about what you got for Christmas, let me know. I'll come and check it out. I'm so nosy, and I love to see what people got. And yeah, that's it for now. So hopefully next time I see you, I'll be feeling a bit better and I won't be coughing and spluttering all over you. Have a fab day and see you all later. Bye guys.